So, like the pre-podcast conversation that we were having, you had mentioned personal year, that everybody has a personal year
in numerology.
in numerology. Can you explain that a little bit?
Sure.
And if you can maybe a little bit tell our viewers how they can calculate their personal year.
Yeah, sure. First thing, so you should know how to calculate your personal year.
Okay.
Personal year. How to calculate personal year is you will take your birth month, birth date, and your current year. So if your birth date is 1st January, so you will take one from your birth date, month is 1, and the current year, which is 8. Right? So it is the personal year will be 1.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You're getting
Yeah.
how to calculate the personal, your birth month, birth date, and your current year.
Okay. Got it.
So
I'll put a little formula on the screen also, so people who are watching, they can actually see it. So I think it'll be better. Yeah.
here and now if it's personal year 1, so what will be the effect? So what personal year 1 is a new beginning.
Okay.
You are going to buy new car, new home, you are going to attract new business, you are going to do something new in your, a sudden change is going to come in your life.
And the personal year is the entire year, correct?
Entire year, from January to December. Generally, a client asks us, next year I'll get my home, I want to buy a home. So whether I'll buy a house, so what I need, I'll see their personal year. Okay, if it is 1, if it is 5, if it is 6, if it is 3, definitely they are going to buy.
Interesting, yeah.
So before knowing the personal year, you need to know number 1 to 9, how they are. What are the characteristics?
So what is number 1 for?
For number 1 is for new beginning.
And number 2?
Number 2 is you need to listen to the things what are you doing. You need to be very careful. Whatever you are doing, you need to be very careful. In PY2. PY3 is things what you have done in past is going to come now. PY3 is the number of Jupiter, which is going to give you multiple opportunities. But you don't need to jump on each and every opportunities. You need to be very clever that time and just see which opportunity is very good for you. And then from that all opportunities, you will pick up 1 or 2 opportunities and you will work. 3. So it is very creative number 3. So in personal year 3, you will get opportunities and you need to focus. You need focus. Personal number 4. Personal number 4 is Rahu again. You need to be very disciplined in this year. Like if you are telling lies, or if you are not going to gym, or you are not working out, then definitely you are going to your health is going to affect. You need to take care. In personal year 4. In personal year 5, there must be lots of traveling, party. You may be meeting lots of friends in personal year 5. Personal year 6. Personal year 6 is little trickier. Personal year 6 is very good. It can bring you abundance in your life. But it can bring you wealth, abundance. But personal year 6 will also bring you unnecessary responsibilities. Unnecessary responsibility. In personal year 6, you need to learn to say no. Now, personal year 7. Now, 7 is Ketu number. Ketu is like it doesn't have head. It only has the lower part.
Planet.
So you do, planet. So, Ketu will always think from the heart. So, 7 will always think from the heart. So, in personal year 7, you don't need to think from the heart. Use your brain also. Don't be very emotional.
Yeah.
Personal year 7 can make you more spiritual also. Who are not spiritual, they will also become more spiritual in personal year 7. And personal year 8, again Saturn. Saturn is, it can brings you lots of confusion. It is 8 is like confused you a lot because it's the number of karmic. So whatever you have done in PY1 to PY7, you are going to get your karma fruit in that 8 PY.
The results will come in PY8.
Come in PY8. And then
So, yeah.
PY9. PY9 is all about the completion. So whatever you have started all these years, you need to complete it. So there may be, you may face some sudden friends are going out of your life, relations are getting break up. Like you may see people are automatically, because of no reason, they are going from your life. Suddenly you are getting like business customers are going. 9 is like finishing everything. Whatever you don't need in your life, they are going out of your life.
Like cleanup.
Yeah, it's like a cleanup. But we human beings don't like changes.
No.
So in PY9, you need to accept everything, and you need to accept the change.
You explained it so well. So 1 to 7 is basically you are accumulating, you are doing the deeds, like kind of.
Yeah.
8 is where you're getting the results of whatever you have done from 1 to 7. And 9 is where the actual cleaning starts. And the goal there is to not resist the change, but to accept the change.